Are you aware of the potential storm brewing on the horizon? You're about to discover an easy way to protect you and your family from disaster. Tariffs and trade wars are not just headlines. They can have devastating repercussions for individuals and families living outside the United States. As governments grapple with trade policies, the ripple effects can lead to currency devaluation, skyrocketing prices, and increased unemployment in your community. The impact could be significant, disrupting livelihoods and creating uncertainty for families. The negative impact of tariffs could cause some people to lose their home. In a moment you'll discover an easy way to avoid the economic pain that tariffs may bring. It's essential to be proactive in safeguarding your financial future against these potential threats. In light of the complexities of global economics, it's crucial to arm yourself with information and strategies that can protect your family from the adverse effects of tariffs. This video is your essential guide to understanding how to safeguard against these impending challenges while simultaneously tapping into the lucrative opportunities presented by the booming U.S. economy. You deserve peace of mind, and that starts with making informed choices. Introducing Dori O'Neill, the founder of TariffProof.com. Dori is an experienced international businessman who has successfully run enterprises in Canada, the United States, the EU, China, Australia, Japan, and the Philippines. His specialty lies in helping people create and establish viable, home-based business opportunities based on the affiliate marketing model. Dori understands the challenges individuals face in today's economy and is committed to providing you with the resources and support needed to thrive despite economic uncertainty. This is where the Master Affiliate Profits platform comes into play. Perfect for beginners with little or no experience in owning or operating an online business, this free-to-enroll opportunity provides all the training you need to succeed in the digital landscape. The Master Affiliate Profits platform is designed to guide you step by step, ensuring that you're never left in the dark. Think of the Master Affiliate Profits platform, MAP for short, as an online university that's been created to teach people how to make money online. Dori O'Neill goes above and beyond, offering advanced live training sessions that delve deeper into successful marketing strategies and techniques. You'll also receive access to essential software and resources needed to make money online quickly and efficiently. As part of this initiative, we proudly present the Master Affiliate Profits platform. Master Affiliate Profits is a groundbreaking platform that empowers individuals to create a robust financial safety net. It offers compelling advantages, beginning with its risk-free enrollment. That's right, joining the program is completely free, eliminating barriers that might prevent you from exploring new income opportunities as you combat economic uncertainties. Imagine earning in US dollars, providing a safeguard against local currency fluctuations. This aspect of the program is particularly crucial for individuals wanting to stabilize their finances while facing potential devaluation in their home countries. One of the standout features of Master Affiliate Profits is its emphasis on focusing your efforts on a single product or niche. This focus allows you to streamline your marketing strategies, enabling you to convey a clear message that resonates with your target audience. Instead of spreading yourself thin by promoting too many products, you learn to hone in on what works best for you and your audience. This clarity simplifies your workload and improves the way you communicate your product's value to potential customers, allowing you to build a loyal customer base. Furthermore, Master Affiliate Profits opens the doors to the thriving US market, offering you access to a vast pool of opportunities that can empower you financially, regardless of where you live. By joining this program, you are not just participating in another affiliate marketing scheme. You are tapping into a system designed to provide you with the necessary tools to succeed on a global scale. When you join Dori O'Neill's team, you unlock a treasure trove of benefits that include over $5,000 in bonuses. Among these bonuses is the free YouTube Viral Funnel, a powerful marketing tool specifically designed to help you generate leads and enhance your online presence. This funnel simplifies the way you reach your audience and helps you build brand awareness quickly and efficiently. Additionally, you receive expert training sessions tailored to your unique needs as a marketer. This training is not just theoretical, it's based on proven strategies developed by Dori O'Neill himself, ensuring you are well equipped to navigate the complexities of affiliate marketing. You will learn how to effectively engage with potential customers, build trust, and foster long-term relationships that can lead to repeat business. An essential component of this program is the integration of the Aweber autoresponder, which automatically adds leads to your email list. This powerful tool streamlines your marketing efforts and saves you precious time, as the autoresponder will guide your prospects through the funnel, keeping them engaged and informed. With the done-for-you email sequences, your prospects will be nurtured and gently moved closer to making a purchasing decision. Dori O'Neill emphasizes ethical marketing throughout the training, guiding you away from spammy tactics that could harm your credibility in the long run. This focus on integrity will not only enhance your reputation but also help you cultivate a loyal customer base that feels valued and appreciated. Now, let's talk about the comprehensive 10-part video overview provided upon your enrollment. This course is designed to walk you through every aspect of the Master Affiliate Profits program, ensuring you understand not only the methodology behind successful affiliate marketing, but also the practical steps you can take to implement these strategies in your own life. These insights will arm you with success knowledge. These insights will accelerate your earning potential while navigating the ever-changing economic landscape. Imagine having access to expert guidance at your fingertips, helping you to refine your marketing strategies and maximize your revenue streams. With Dori O'Neill and the Master Affiliate Profits platform, you're not just receiving content. You're gaining a roadmap to your financial independence. The time to act is now. Don't let the uncertainty of tariffs and trade wars dictate your future. The Master Affiliate Profits platform is designed to empower you, providing the tools, training, and support. That support is essential to achieve long-term success. The potential for financial security is not something to take lightly. As a member of the Master Affiliate Profits platform, you're armed with the knowledge and resources to not only weather economic storms but to thrive despite them. Imagine waking up every day, knowing that your efforts are directly contributing to a safer, more stable financial future for you and your family. To get started, simply fill out the form next to this video. By doing so, you will gain immediate access to the free 10-part video overview that delves deeper into the features and benefits of the Master Affiliate Profits platform. As you watch these videos, you'll gain valuable insights that can change your life and help you build a sustainable income stream. Don't hesitate any longer. Join us at tariffproof.com and take the first step toward protecting your financial future today. Together, we can navigate these challenges and thrive in the face of adversity. Your journey toward financial security begins now. By being proactive, you can avoid the potential pain that others will face. Thank you for watching. Dori O'Neill and his entire team are committed to helping you make money online. Procrastinators lose, action takers win. Enroll today.